In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your QuickBooks settings to enable creating multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses that need to bill clients incrementally over time and can greatly streamline your invoicing process. Let's dive in step by step to make sure you're set up and ready to go. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Simply open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the features we'll be working with today. Once you're all logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Now, direct your attention to the upper right of your screen, where you'll find the Settings gear icon. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This gear icon is a hub for various settings and functionalities within QuickBooks, which is why it's a crucial step in customizing your setup. Next, in the drop-down, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This will take you to a new page where a panel of setting categories will be displayed on the left side. Each panel allows for customization of different sections of your QuickBooks account, helping tailor the software to suit your specific business needs. From here, click on Sales in the panel to dive into the sales settings. The sales settings are where you'll manage everything from invoicing preferences to setting up online delivery methods for estimates and invoices. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. Each section here has a straightforward setup. Locate the option that says Create multiple partial invoices from a single estimate, which might initially show as off. Clicking on this feature will enable you to use estimates as the source for multiple related invoices, enabling enhanced billing flexibility. This setup is particularly beneficial for projects that require billing at different phases or checkpoints. Once you click, you'll see the option to enable this feature. Go ahead and click Enable to activate it. Having this feature turned on will save time and reduce the complexity of your billing process, ensuring that your financial tracking remains accurate and precise. Finally, after enabling, don't forget to click on Update and Save. This crucial step will ensure any changes you've made are stored in the system. Saving your settings prevents any accidental data loss and guarantees that your updated preferences will be applied to all relevant transactions moving forward. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up multiple partial invoices from a single estimate in QuickBooks. With these changes now in place, your invoicing can be both efficient and flexible, accommodating client needs with ease. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful, and until next time, have a productive day managing your accounts.